Today's featured car of the day is a 1971 Dodge Charger RT with a 440 with 370 horsepower and an automatic transmission. And it bid to $40,000 but did not sell at the Mecum Classic Car Auction in Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas, 2025 on Saturday, November 1st. And I'll read from Mecum's website. It shows odometer reads 76,237 miles. And by the way, if you're interested in more information on this one, you can just go over to the Mecum website, look for lot number S82.1, and they'll give you more pictures and more information about the car. But as far as the specs went, it showed it as being Hemi orange with black interior, had the 440, 370 horsepower Magnum V8 engine, 4-barrel carburetor, 727 heavy-duty 3-speed automatic transmission, 8 3/4 rear differential with 323 gears, factory-correct spoilers, decals, and emblems, factory-correct black interior, bucket seats with center console, factory air conditioning with upgraded compressor, Rally instrument cluster with 150-mile-an-hour speedometer, power steering, heavy-duty suspension with rear air shocks, heavy-duty power brakes, Rally wheels with BF Goodrich white letter tires, front and rear spoilers. And like I said, it bid to $40,000 but did not sell at the Mecum Dallas Fort Worth 2025 auction. And this one was on Saturday, November 1st, 2025. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.